Okay, I'm going to do a wiper repair today. I always put a towel down because when I take this blade off, sometimes if this thing slips back on you and it goes snap, it's safe light repair. So it's got another mystery connection up here that I need to figure out, and like I said, I'm not sure what blades I got. I'm gonna go get a blade and measure it first before I start. Well, here are my wiper blades. I have no idea. I've never got these before, so I tried something different, I guess, but lo and behold, the instructions are on the back. I have no idea what I'm dealing with up here. I do believe it is a J-hook, though. If this J-hook is right, the wiper blade should just, once I loosen this, the blade will pull back down and the new one will snap back on. But I gotta figure out how to take that loose. And then, I think before I do that, I wanna make sure I measure these. This package came with 3 blades. I bought it on Amazon, and I will put it under the description and the tools I use. Using 2 hands, I measured the blade, and it does seem to fit. Okay, I got it. It was fairly easy. Just got to get it off of this. What I did was push down on this little tab right there. My fingernail. It does push down, believe me. And you push down on that tab and then pull the blade back towards the windshield, and it comes off of this J-hook. So push down on the tab, push back, push down on the tab, and pull back. These, I think you just flip this up. Just push in on the sides here and then pull up. Push in and pull up 2 hands. Now I should be able to alright, feed it through that hole right there. Come on, like that. And hook it inside there. I have to set the camera down anyway. It hooks inside there. I can't see it. Let me set the camera down. Okay, I hooked it inside and then slide it up like that all the way till it stops, and then lock that down, give it a tug, and you're good to go. Don't forget to take your little strip off the blade protector. And this one is done. Okay, this blade is done. That other side has a different blade on it. Looks more like this blade here, that one does over there, so that might be a little different story on taking it off. My wiper blade on this side is pretty much identical to the one I just put on, the new one on the driver's side, so I think you push on, yeah, there, lift that up. I'm going to take 2 hands to do this, but basically all I got to do is slide the blade off right now. Yeah, this one just slid off like I said it would. Now I'm going to just put the other one through like this, and the new one, and slide it onto there, and clamp the little cover piece down, and we'll move on to the back. I gotta use 2 hands, but it's gotta go over that little thing inside there and slide down. Like that. And take this piece here. Make sure it's up there and snap that down. Check it. Yeah, it's good and solid. onto the back one. Oops, I gotta take this thing off. Gotta take the cover off. Gotta take the blade cover off here. Okay. Okay. In case you were wondering, is made in China, and they're 22, 22, and 16. So two front ones are 22 and the rear is 16. And the rear blade is right there. There it is. There's the rear. We'll have to figure how that one goes on when we get back there. Okay, this blade has got a little push on the inside. There's a little tab you push and then pull the blade back this way, I believe. This rear blade came off very easily. You can see that tab right there. I just pushed in it, slid right back. Really easy. Okay, time for the other one. The other blade just goes in like that. When you go to put it on, just slide it in like a yay, and then pull it, and then okay, it just pulls right on, just like the other one came off, except this was really difficult. I had to put a lot of force on it to get it to snap over there. So just be aware this rear one can be kind of tight. And that's the wiper blades. So this 2000 Yukon XL just got all three wiper blades. They're done and done, looking good.
Okay, cleaning the back of the driver's side seat. See how that looks. That's a yuck. Alright, I'm going to clean it and we'll come back. Okay, I'm going to be using this Armor All multi-purpose cleaner to do the seat. We got to spray it on, let it sit for a few seconds, and then wipe her off with a damp cloth. Alright, I think this stuff did an excellent job. The headrest was really bad, if you noticed. Now it looks really good. There's a lot over here on that side. This is more of a shadow. I got that pretty clean. It just doesn't look it. It's shadowed. Alright. Good stuff. Really, that was really, really, really bad. Anyway, here we go.
Kenny Drive Garage. Bye for now.